Now that your web app is live, you need people to find it. SEO helps your site rank higher in Google when people search for tools like yours. In the case of our demo, people search for free invoice generator thousands of times monthly. The right keywords get you in front of those searches. Use tools like SEMrush to find keywords with decent search volume but low competition. I've got a complete keyword research tutorial linked at the end of this video and in the description. Once you have your keywords, simply give them to Hosting Horizons and tell it to optimize your site's SEO using those keywords. Speaking of Hosting Horizons capabilities, while it's perfect for building and optimizing simple tools like this, you might eventually want to scale beyond what the AI can handle. If you decide to add more complex features down the road, you can export your code by clicking the hamburger menu and selecting Export Code. This gives you or a developer full access to expand the app beyond what the AI can build. If you've been watching along but haven't actually built your own app yet, now's the perfect time to jump in. Use our special link in the description to get an additional 10% off Hosting Horizons and start building your web app.